Setting up the Okos door sensor is really easy. All you need to do is, first, take the top cover off the door sensor. Then remove this plastic piece. Now you should see a blinking red light, which means it is in pairing mode. Now you need to move to your smartphone. Open the Okos Smart app. Now click on Add Device. Then select Contact Sensor. Now make sure you are connected to your 2.4 GHz band Wi-Fi and then enter your Wi-Fi password. Then hit Next. Now tick the box to confirm that the red light is blinking on your device. And as soon as the blinking stops, it means that the app has detected your device. And now all you need to do is wait for the app to finish the pairing process. And just like that, you have successfully set up your Okos door sensor. Now, before installing the sensors, make sure that they are both aligned by pointing the mark side of both sensors towards each other. And now a short demo.